Finding the courage to change, learning to be good enough now. My husband likes to remind me of the time that I told him, "I'm not competitive." He laughed out loud when I said that. "Yes, you are," he exclaimed. I was upset with him. "I don't even like to play games," I told him. I had to think about this for a long time. I realized that being competitive is not only about playing games and wanting to win. For me, it's about judgment. When I'm comparing myself to others, then I'm being competitive. When I see myself on a ladder of success, better than this one, less than that one, then I'm judging those others against myself. It's a lonely way to live. I'm either looking up or looking down. I don't share my rung of the ladder with anyone else. The person I'm hurting the most with my judgment is me. I've learned to love being just where I am. I'm good enough right now. I don't need to copy anyone else. I can look for guides and teachers, but only I can walk my path. The journey is where the fun is. It's like riding a roller coaster. The ride is the fun part. We get off the ride laughing and scared and exhilarated. Our eyes meet, we grab hands, and run back to get in line and do it again. I can enjoy my daily journey just like that. I practice love and appreciation for myself. I'm good enough right now. I'm always going to be growing and expanding. With practice, I can come into alignment with my best self. I'm always changing, and I'm always good enough right now.